Once I saw a bird.
Once I saw a little bird coming hop, hop, hop. So I cried out, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? Oh, little bird, so quick and free, a moment's joy you brought to me. I was going to the window to say, how are you? But he shook his little tail and away he flew. Oh, little bird, so quick and free, a moment's joy you brought to me. He shook his tail, then off he flew into the sky, a sight so new. Little bird, you flew away, left me smiling through the day.